A farmer has a square orchard of side 10 centimeters. Okay, square. This is the square we are talking about in red. 10. This is the orchard. He decides to extend it by increasing the length of one side by x. So this side is increased from 10 to 10 plus x. Okay, so this whole here is 10 plus x, this whole length. Okay, and the other by 2x meters. So this one is the new other side, which is 10 plus 2x. Okay, as shown in the diagram below. Write down an expression for the total area of the extended orchard and show that it simplifies to 2x squared plus 30x plus 10. Okay, total area of the extended orchard. So we are looking at the total area, which is all of this, the whole new orchard. Okay, so how do we do that? We know area is equal to length times width, or length times breadth. So our area of the extended orchard is 10 plus 2x, which is our length here, times our length here, 10 plus x. Okay, what will this give us? 10 times 10, it's 100. 10 times x is 10x. 2x times 10 is 20x. So plus 20x. 2x times x is 2x squared. Okay, so we multiply continually. Then we simplify. 100, but there's no other number there. We look at, we collect like terms. 10x and 20x are like terms, so we can add them. Plus 30x plus 2x squared. We can rewrite this as 2x squared plus 30x plus 100, which is what we have here. So we are done with that. Write down and simplify an expression for the area of the extension. So we only want the extension. Which one is the extension? Let's use a blue color here to show the extension, because this one is the original and this one is the extension. Okay. So this is the extension. This is the area we want. But we can see it is an irregular shape. What we could do is extend here. Okay. Then we can use length times width plus length times width. All right. Area of extension is equal to, what is the length there? The length here is 10 plus x times our width, 2x. Okay, plus our length there, 10, and our width there times x. So we calculated the area of this rectangle plus the area of that rectangle. All right, which is 2x times 10, 20x, 2x times x plus 2x squared plus 10 times x, 10x, which will give us, these are like terms, so we have 30x plus 2x squared. Usually we would want to write higher powers of x first, 2x squared plus 30. So that is the area, all right, of the extension. Next, given that the area is increased by 87.5 square meters, form an equation in x and show that it reduces to 2x squared plus 30x minus 87.5. Okay, so we are saying the extension is 87.5 square meters. So we are saying this is the area of the extension, 2x squared plus 30 is equal to 87.5. All right, so we are saying the extension as it is given that the area is increased by, which means extension is equal to 87.5. So we can simplify it by just taking this to the left-hand side, changes sign when it jumps the equal sign. So 2x squared plus 30 minus 87.5 is equal to 0. All right, solve the equation. We use the quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Trying to factorize here with a number with a decimal fraction might be difficult. They are testing you to use the quadratic equation. So what do we have? Our a is 2, which is the coefficient of x squared. Why am I leaving x here? All right, sorry for that. X here, such mistakes. All right, so a is equal to 2, b is equal to 30, and c is equal to minus 87.5. So what do we have? X is equal to minus 30 plus or minus the root of b is 30 squared minus 4 times a, 2, which is 2 times c minus 87.5 all over 2 times 2, which is equal to 5 over 2 or 2.5, or x is equal to minus 35 over 2, which is minus 17.5. Okay, we will disregard this. We will just say therefore x is equal to 2.5 because there is no negative length. So we disregard this. Okay, now write down the actual length of the extended orchard. So on E, the actual length of the extended orchard is 10 plus 2x, which is equal to 10 plus 2 times 2.5, which is equal to 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15 meters. All right, so that's for the 2 marks. All right, thank you.